Introduce yourself and then speak.
My name is Kanishk and I live in Hyderabad. I study in Bhavan Sri Ramakrishna Vidyalaya, Sainipuri, Secunderabad.
Yeah.
Sir, why do satellites become inactive?
Why do
Why do satellites become inactive?
satellite becomes inactive?
Why do satellites become inactive?
What satellite? No, you tell the reason why are we meeting? What made us to meet? What did you do? What did you send me?
Sir, I sent you one video about space derby.
Yeah.
So, all about space derby, like what causes this space derby, where does this all go, and all.
So you want to know about space debris,
Yes.
in which one of the space debris, what you are thinking is satellite.
Yeah, inactive set.
So you are not talking about a natural satellite. Moon is a natural satellite for Earth.
Yes.
We are only worried about the space around Earth because that is what is concerned for us. Now, natural satellites, natural planets, all of them are formed by splitting away from either from sun or maybe from different sun like stars, or maybe joining of some of the dust in the space agglomerated together to form a planet like object in the space. That is what was mistaken as planet for some time. We had Pluto, Neptune, Pluto. They're all too far from Earth. Therefore, we couldn't even decide whether that was a planet or a waste material mixed together and then available somewhere and all that. These are all natural. But what Kanishk heard in the video is about not the asteroids, but those plant satellites which we make in Earth and then send it into the space. Generally, if we send any satellite, it has a weight. The weight of the satellite will decide how far from the Earth it will stay. The weight of the satellite. Suppose it is less weight, it will come closer to Earth. If it is more weight, you have to send it little higher. So that this weight is balanced by the Earth gravity. There is a gravity for Earth which pulls any object outside the Earth. Earth is not very close to the Earth. Atmosphere is there. Everything in atmosphere will get attracted to Earth. Suppose you want to put a satellite, you have to put outside the atmosphere. How much is atmosphere? Nearly 140 kilometers. From Earth, 140 kilometers away, atmosphere is there. If I want to place a satellite, I must place it outside 140 kilometers. So all space shuttle, space labs, for experimentation, what we are sending, even for going around the Earth, if satellite has to look at Earth, we need remote sensing satellites. All such satellites are placed above 240. But we cannot make a satellite very light. When I was in space department as a scientist 1980s, 1990, approximately 30-40 years back. So during that time we had heavy satellite. Therefore satellite was placed at 1000 kilometer from Earth. But by the time I was retiring, maybe 20 years from the 1000 kilometer height, satellite could bring to 500 kilometer height, because the heavy satellite has become smaller satellite. When we are able to make, earlier we used to make a big fridge, big television, camera used to be very big. Now today we can make a camera very small, we can make television very small. Similarly we can also make satellite very small. So as we can make smaller, we can keep it closer to Earth. What is the advantage of keeping closer to Earth? More details on the Earth can be seen. Lower orbit, lot of details can be seen. Every satellite goes around the Earth. The weight of the satellite will decide at what height it will stay. It goes around the Earth with the gravity of the Earth plus universal gravity. All other planets also has got gravity. Little gravity, not very big. But those gravities are together called capital G. Earth gravity is called small g. Other gravity is called capital G. Right? So the satellite is placed in the space with specific weight when capital G and small g can balance it. Those formulas are all there. Like Newton is the person who identified this formula. It will be, if it is too far, the distance is too far, g will become smaller and smaller. If it is closer to Earth, it will have more gravity. All these formulas are used for placing the satellite at the right place. Okay. But what are we sending? We are sending a camera. Suppose this is the camera. Satellite is as big as your 2 bedrooms, or maybe equal to become your house once it is expanded. Too big. Now when I have a mobile phone, the camera focal length is this much only, 5 millimeter. Because camera is here, image will come onto the screen. So what is the difference between here to here? That is the focal length. But for a satellite, focal length is, suppose in your bedroom, the door is the lens, the other side end of the room is the image plane. That means 3 meter, 10 feet. A camera can be as big as a room, your bedroom size. A big room in your house. That much size is one camera. So that camera is being sent on top of the Earth. For what purpose? Suppose remote sensing. There are 2 types of satellite. One satellite is remote sensing satellites. I am talking about that satellite only. Other satellite is called INSAT, for climate, understanding the climate. When the rain will come, where is cloud. All the details are from satellite which is very, very far from Earth, 36,000 kilometer height. Very far. But any satellite, when we are sending those satellites, what is required for me? That satellite has to look to the Earth. That means if my satellite is going like this, I have to tilt it, because this camera side has to see me. Suppose this is the camera, it has to see me. But when it goes on the other side, it should not look down. It should tilt like this, correct? Every moment it is not going just like that. This camera has to go down, up, tilt it, look at it, send details to Earth. That means this needs energy. Where do this satellite gets energy?
Solar energy. Solar system. From the sun.
Yeah. Any energy which is to be stored in the battery. Solar energy cannot make this operation. I have to convert that into battery. And battery only can operate. You have UPS system in your house. The car has got a battery. Every battery after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, it needs maintenance. After some time it will not work. You have to replace the battery. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the life of a satellite? Life of a satellite is mostly the life of the battery. So once battery is off, assume satellite is not working. What will happen to satellite? It will lose its balancing power. But still, because of the weight, it keeps on going around the earth. Nothing will happen. It keeps on going around the earth. But when it is going around the earth, after some time, some portion of that can be separated. Some contact is less. Some of the item will get loosened. Some of the spare part will go off. So that part of the satellite will become lesser weight than the original satellite. Anything lesser weight will come closer to Earth. So once it comes closer to Earth, if it enters in the atmosphere, the friction will be more. It enters into atmosphere and burns into pieces. Heavy items which enters in atmosphere with large speed, immediately that will become bits and pieces, small pieces. Such a dust particle, when we reach to the earth, it will become nothing, very small. How small? Your hair size, maybe 1 millimeter. You take a scale and then find out how much is 1 millimeter. The tip of your pen is 1 millimeter. That particle will be there. The video which Kanishka has seen, in the beginning it says there can be 128 millions of such particles which are almost 1 millimeter and higher. I want all of you young children to understand, when somebody sees such video where it says 128 million and more, I can also say 1000 million. Is there anybody who is going to count it tomorrow? I can say 1 lakh. Somebody can say 1 crore. Somebody can say 300 crores. Is there anybody who is going to count this? So such videos are actually misleading. It has no meaning. So when Kanishka has sent me that video, I just ignored. I did not answer. Otherwise, anything which comes to me on my WhatsApp for some question, immediately I will answer. Correct, Kanishk?
Yes, sir.
Why did I ignore?
Because.
It is useless.
Yeah.
It's all bogus. The first sentence which says there are 128 crores and making a big story is useless. Got it?
Yes.
But there are problems. It is not that simple. How many of you know that the other day Elon Musk started. Anybody? Balance.
Yes.
What did they start? That means you have no interest in space activity.
Sir, SpaceX.
Yeah, immediately answer. Why should I ask 2 times? Elon Musk and space means immediately you should tell. SpaceX was sent.
To
billionaires to the space and they orbit the planet for 3 days
Yeah.
and returned
Yeah.
in the ocean.
Yeah. They had a dome. Dome means on the top of the building you have got a curved, the temple and all you can see. That dome can be opened so that they can see the space. Have you seen any of the videos? It is so beautiful. I was looking at for last 2 days, 3 days continuously. They are on the top of the satellite. They have got a dome like this. The dome is covered, but they can open it. Once they open, there will be an acrylic. These are all acrylic. What is used like a plastic? It is not a plastic. It is called acrylic. This is unbreakable. Acrylic, even if you hit it, will not break. So very thick acrylic is what is used for the dome. So they sit inside this and they can look at the space. Everything can be seen. Not space. It will be downward. So when you are looking from the top, you will see the earth. So beautiful earth picture you can see from the dome. If you have not seen, go to YouTube and look at SpaceX. What is the mission called? Inspiration 4. They opened the dome and first time they have seen.
Please repeat the name.
Yeah, but there is not even a single dust, single waste which is seen. There was no debris they have seen. No problem of debris or recorded. But if you look at what that Kanishka has sent the video, it looks like the whole earth is fully rounded with the total dust. That picture what you are seeing, all of them are manipulated. Nobody has taken a picture of the whole earth with a lot of debris around and all that. They are all computer made. Got it? So don't have to worry about it. That's only what I said. You cannot even see, the space is too large. I told you first time when we sent 1,000 kilometer, but 1,000 kilometer not only one, no, around the earth. Around the earth 1,000 kilometer means what? Earth itself is 6,000 kilometer radius. Say it's not a globe, it's a spheroid, it's a geoid, so you cannot say radius, but assume it is 6,000 kilometer of a sphere. 1,000 kilometer means 7,000. 7,000 to 2 pi r. So 21,000. And not one plane. It is in a space. So much of space is there. Space is too large. In which one satellite is one house or maybe one room size. It is nothing. In the whole space it is nothing. So therefore 2 satellites colliding chances are too less. We have sent maybe 30,000 satellites so far. Small and big. Out of which 3 or 4 would have been collided. When we send a satellite, no aircraft should cross. Otherwise the aircraft will get hit, right? So there is an orbit calendar which will decide, my satellite is going in this direction, no aircraft should fly there. They are all controlled by space mission controlling authorities are there. Lot of people will sit together, space department, aviation department, all of them will plan how it should make it happen. So as Kanishk is seen in the video, or anybody would have seen the debris, look at every number there. 128 million. Then ask a question, who told this 128 million is there? Is it correct? Ask yourself. Don't just listen and then say, oh, 128 million. No. Got it? Number of satellite which you've sent, if 1 millimeter is not a big problem, but 10 centimeter is, yeah, this much is 10 centimeter, my hand size. If an item of this hand size is there, it is little big. But if it is small or big also, because of the speed in which it is going, it will create a problem. That is why in that there is a mention that the paint flux. Flux means when the paint gets dried up, you will see like a small bit of a paper, no? the paint which is painted on the window grill or something, when it comes out, you will see like a small sharp edge, sort of a thing. It can cut your hand also if you mark it very fast. So similarly, some item will go somewhere, it would have broken. At one time, some spacecraft had got a one clash, but that is not a big problem. And I am sure in the years to come, last year 2020, how many satellites would have sent, you know? More than 1200 satellites have sent. How many satellites are active in the low orbit? Low orbit means from 1000 kilometer to 500 kilometer. Less than 500 kilometer, only space labs, space shuttles are there. All that together may be around 4000 or 3500. That much only. They don't stay in one height alone. They will be in different height, not in one plane. One is here, the other one is here. So how much space you have? You have too many spaces. If you want another 1 lakh satellites also can be sent and put it into different places. Nothing will collide each other. If you slightly change the height, how do you change the height? Change the weight. Because weight of the satellite will decide where it will stay. Got it? But it is not a problem now. But if some satellite fails, some portion goes, it may hit some other satellite. All that is possible. So what do you do when people go in such a space shuttle and all that? Space shuttle makes a cover. They will make a grill sort of a thing. You have mosquitoes should not enter your window, through the window. What do? You make a net. Similarly, spacecraft also have got a protection net. Even if it hits, only the net will get damaged. So such protections are being taken. Because nobody can go there and then collect all these debris. Some experiments are happening. Nobody can go and count how many pieces are there in the... So if somebody counts and says that this many pieces, it's like saying that there are maybe millions of sand pieces in a junk of maybe one lorry, when you have million sand pieces are there. Can anybody count it? Understood? So it is uncountable. Correct? Small particles uncountable. Countable particles, maybe there may be few thousands. But they are not very dangerous. Okay. They are under the control of gravity. They are under the control of universal gravity. If it is small, it will come towards Earth. It may also go towards some other planets if it goes out of control. And as it enters in any atmosphere, it will become bits and pieces, burns it, and it will become microparticles. Got it? So this is a chance. I thought I ignored it, Kanishk's video. Then I thought when Kanishk asked me again, I should... it is good, nice, so that I could explain not to Kanishk alone, to many people. Right? So similarly, you can ask any subject which is having some doubt here and there. You could always send it to me. Ask a question so that I will post it and then all of us can listen what I am saying. And yesterday, as soon as I have sent, I also got a YouTube video which was made by who? Who was that? Lakshmi Prakash, no? Had sent me that video. Lakshmi Prakash is from Varandarapalli, maybe Thrissur. There is a YouTube video made by Lakshmi Prasad on this same debris, space debris related. So I am sure you are all interested in learning. At least some of you are interested in learning. You make your own video. But don't get blind by looking at some of the video. Oh, this is a big problem. Because whenever somebody works on a problem, they think that's a big problem. That's why they are working. But it's not a very dangerous problem. Okay? Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, you talked about a inspiration for of Elon Musk, no?
Yeah.
I can understand that thing.
Elon Musk, you heard about him?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Not that much.
Yes is enough. Yes, Dr. TPS. My name is Dr. TPS. Okay. Yeah. Vijita, you are from
Cherugunno.
Cherugunnu, Kannur. Okay. What is your name?
Shreya. Age 9 from Cherugunno, Kannur, and the doubt is what is inspiration for Elon Musk?
Yeah, Elon Musk has sent a rocket in which there is a small space capsule. Space capsule small means it is as big as a room. Where 4 people were sent to space. First time in the history of world. If you have money, you want to see the space and then come back. Otherwise, people have gone to space shuttle, stayed there, did the experiment and came back. But this was go around the earth. They are all scientists who has gone for experiments. Now people who have money, they cannot go out in the space. They can sit inside the space cabinet. The building which has got a good window to see what space is. They can go there, see the whole revolving around the earth many times and they come back. 2 days of going around the earth. That was called inspiration for. So you go to YouTube or send me a WhatsApp, I will send you such which describes beautiful picture. I was looking at all the 2 days. Where are they? What are they seeing? How are they operating? How do they eat?
Doctor, what should we type it?
Inspiration for Elon Musk, SpaceX, SPACE space with a space and X with a gap X. I was seeing in Netflix. Netflix was live showing it. Okay, so why I mentioned that here they have a tomb which they can open and then see the space, and they were seeing through the glass the space. They have not seen any dirty particle there. Beautiful sky was shown. There was a beautiful say how earth become darker day to night. That was beautiful to see from the space when you look at how earth becomes day to dark. Elon Musk wanted to learn physics. Elon Musk was a computer man. He is the man who made a car without a driver. Electric driven car. Tesla car. When I was in America 2 years back, same time. September I was in America. So I have gone in Tesla car. So Tesla car can be operated by mobile phone. You ask a Tesla phone car to come, it will come to your house from the parking place.
Artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Sir, did you use it?
Yeah, I used it. Anybody can drive because you don't have to drive. You put on the speed and all can be controlled by you can sit in driver's seat, somebody can control speed. And you don't have to turn left, right and all that. You can sleep in the car also. Because it has got camera both sides, it will adjust. And if something is there in the front, it will stop. Tesla test drive. You drive YouTube, you can see Tesla drive also.
Okay, sir.
How Tesla moves. You want to learn about Tesla? Type in Tesla in the computer. YouTube, you will see all this.
What accelerates this debris to much higher speeds?
Gravity. What is pulling force? And momentum. What, when the vehicle is big, speed is less. Vehicle is small, speed becomes more. Got it? That is called the Newton's second law. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Suppose you use lot of force, mass is less, acceleration will be more. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay. So what is force? Assume I am pushing a small person which is not that heavy. If there is an auto rickshaw, I can push it, right? But instead of that, there is a big bus or a lorry. With the same force, can you push it? It will not move. That means acceleration will be 0 when your weight is more. So as the satellite weight is less, or maybe you have portion of by portion split into pieces, it acceleration becomes more. Acceleration is increase in speed. Once it starts moving in the space, the speed increases because it goes away from the earth. Gravity becomes less and less. So it increases its speed. Yeah.
Doctor,
Yes.
how does the space debris in the space move? It does not have gravity, right?
It has gravity. Every there in the space also there is gravity. Suppose you go from earth gravity is not zero outside 140 kilometers atmosphere. Less. But then Mars atmosphere is there. That gravity will be there. Venus gravity will be there. There are a lot of sun also has its gravity. That is why planets are going around it. So lot of different planets with a different gravity. Suppose I am being pulled by two people by two hands. I will move in this direction. But somebody is pulling me from my back, then I will move upward. Understood? So many people are pulling me from different sides and they are also moving. I will also take my path. So every item in the space is, so many items are pulled by different satellites and sun. It goes around the sun, it goes around the different planets depending on the pull. So there is no gravity is not there in any part of the space. Akrishti shaktistu mahitaya yad gastam swabhimugam sashaktiya akrishyate. Every planet, every satellite pulls the other fellow. So many pullings are there, it goes around different planets and different sun and satellites keeps on moving like this. That's what happens. Yeah.
Doctor,
Yes.
we could thought that the lower Earth orbit is also known as exosphere, where there is a little bit of Earth's gravity. The gravitational pull of the sun is so severe that it holds the planets into their orbit. Why can't space waste get pulled by either heavenly bodies and get burnt up?
No, see, that is what the weight of the satellite will decide that is the height in which it is there. Neither it can go there nor it can come down. Suppose some portion gets separated, then these two items will go to such a place where it is again balanced. Sometime what will happen? It will not get balanced outside the atmosphere, it enters in the atmosphere. Suppose it is closer to Earth. If it is closer to some other planet, it goes attracted towards that. Suppose it gets attracted towards Earth, once it enters the atmosphere, because of the friction, it burns. It is not that I can decide where this item has to go. The weight of the satellite, weight of the object will decide where it will stay in the space. Why we need energy? We need energy to maneuver it. Maneuver it means I want to look that up. I want to send some information. I want to have communication. I want to operate something there. I want a small adjustment in the speed. They also have sometime I have to take from higher orbit to lower orbit for looking closer some items. I don't want that to go in the same orbit. I want to pull it down, for which I need some energy. Such energies are used through the battery, through the solar power which is stored there. Otherwise, I am not going to, or I have less control on the satellite. Small maneuvering, gyro system, roll, pitch, yaw, tilt it, pull it up, push it out, ask it to turn this side or that side. All that can be done from the energy what I store there. Okay. Good question. Good boy. It's all because of Kanishka only.
Why don't the stars?
Why don't?
The stars move like the planets.
Star is also like not a planet, it is like a sun, solar system. Around the star also there can be another planets, another solar system. Now we have to compare not planet and star. We should compare sun and star. So when you ask question, star is like a sun. So around the sun we have a lot of planets. We don't know whether that star has got such planets around it or not. If it is there, it will be another solar system. Or maybe equivalent to solar system. That may be there. We have no idea. Whether such things exist or not also we don't.
Doctor, why are everyone saying that Pluto is a dwarf planet?
Once upon a time, that's what I said, with this telescope what we have, when we were looking, people have seen that is like a planet. But later we found out it is not a planet because we had a better telescope. So most of the planets today what we know are all identified long back because constantly it is moving in same orbit. Therefore we thought it is an satellite. Later we identified, new telescope, new vision, new theory detected that it is not a satellite. That's why that Pluto was removed. Otherwise, when I was a child like you, we all learned there are 9 planets. Now it's only 8 planets.
Doctor,
Yeah.
what causes the chipping away of paint from satellites?
Paint from chipping of the
Paint from satellites.
natural, yeah. Any item which is old will have some portion going. There can be crack because the temperature is entirely different, right?
But the gravitational pull should keep the paint intact, right, sir? Doctor?
It is designed for making it, anything which we make, we are designing it for staying permanent with longer lifespan and all that. But that need not happen. No, sometime it can go crack. And once it breaks, assume that one portion is breaking. Assume its battery goes bad. What will happen? Definitely it will go. Assume you are making a top cover and the cover is to be removed. When you have got a solar panel, the solar panel is to be expanded. The expanded solar panel is too big. 20 meter both side. When satellite is launching, it is not expanded. It is put in a cover, in a small. As it goes there, it opens up and then expands. You know that all these are man-made, human. There is a cover, there is a insulation. All that can go bad, right? After some time, some portion can get. If you ask question why paint is going, means naturally that is what will happen after some time. Yeah.
Doctor,
Yeah.
can you say what's
Introduce yourself. I know other people because they introduced.
Doctor, I am Bida Sarak
Yeah. From where?
from Pottangot Padmula, Trivandrum.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Yes, sir.
Pottangot is the place where we have that ashramam.
It is Shantigiri.
Shantigiri. I used to come to Shantigiri quite often. I am from Hyderabad, but I used to come to Pottangot ashram. When there are conferences, I came to your school also. You are studying in Pottangot ashram school?
No, sir. I am from modern public school. I am studying modern public school.
Okay. Tell me.
I am 6th standard.
Good. Ask.
Can you send me the WhatsApp number?
I told already, 944 74 944 74 37 948. You can also search me on YouTube, Dr. TPS, DRTPS, continuous. When you see my YouTube, you also comment there so that I know, oh, Deva Sarang has seen my YouTube. I will remember you. Yeah.
Doctor,
Yes.
Why do countries and companies like SpaceX, Telesat, Hongyan, Project Kuiper want to send constellations of satellites to Earth's orbit? What is so fascinating up there to know about Earth? Constellations of satellites or group of satellites.
Constellation of satellites are not sent for different purposes. It is sent. One is to look at what is happening on the ground. Forest fire, flood, drought. All these constellation of satellite is what is supporting us in GPS. Location map in the Google map, you are seeing the location, right? All this is supported by satellites. All the TV channels are supported by geostationary satellites. So different satellites, GPS satellites are different, geostationary satellites are different, remote sensing satellites are different. Maybe tomorrow your communication also will become very fast. Suppose somebody goes to the poles, Antarctica, somebody goes to Kailash. There are no satellite network, is only what is available. Your network provider like Airtel, BSNL, with antenna they cannot communicate because those places 70% of Earth is sea. Do you think that we can have antenna there for telephone communication? So probably we will use all these for better communication. Low Earth orbit communication satellites also could be there. There are many applications from space which are planning to come, and many military applications. There are many military applications, earth resources applications, to see fish is there in the water or not in the sea, which portion of the sea we have to go and hunt fish. That is also seen from the satellite. Yeah. Somebody has come on video and then left in between. I am seeing DS Haridas also. Namaste.
Sir, do black holes exist?
It's a big question, not answered yet. No 100% knowledge whether it is a real thing or whether people feel it. But there is lot of experiments happened, like Bermuda Triangle is another one. I gave a lot of talk on this black hole, Bermuda Triangle and all that, which are either myth or science, facts, no proof, no, people are not able to throw it away also.
Doctor, why North Korea and China don't have moon?
Yeah, when there is no light reflection, when you see shadow, it looks black, right? Assume there is a lot of mountain. Some places sunlight will reflect, it looks bright. Other side where there is no light, it will look black. So the moon also has got lot of ups and downs. So when some places the light comes, it reflects. That is what we are seeing as white. Some places, maybe there is a ditch, big valley. Maybe the mineral can be entirely different. Some items absorbs a lot of light. That is also possible. Similar thing is possible inside the sea also. Sometimes you will see dark portion. Sometimes you will see reflections. It depends on where you are seeing it. Which direction you are seeing. From where are you seeing. All that matters. Because inside the sea also there are a lot of rivers flowing. Inside the ocean there are rivers flowing. The deep sea, including our Himalaya, can be pushed inside water. That much down earth, deep valleys are there inside the sea. Inside a big ocean. Pardon?
Doctor,
Mariana Trench.
No, I didn't get both of you. Shivanand, start. What is it?
Sir, the valleys you are talking about, isn't it Mariana Trench?
Yeah. And the water flows, the temperature also is different. Water flows from one direction to another direction. All that happens. Yeah. Vijita, by name only I can call. Yeah.
Sir, why some stars have names, like Orion?
Why sun?
Not sun, doctor. Some stars have name, no?
Yeah, people keep naming them, looking at where we can locate them specifically. Even every small hole inside the moon is also named by people. Like we have got Himalaya as the mountain. In moon also we identified which is a mountain there, which is a valley there, which is a ditch there. For all of them we have given names. Nine 944 In the chat box also there is a question. Aman Sahu. 944 is my Dr. TPS. You can search Dr. TPS. My website is www.drtps-shiksha.in. Okay. Yeah. Good enough for any more questions? I expected Lakshmi Prakash said she will also join. She also made a beautiful video on debris and then posted onto YouTube. Anybody else who want to ask some questions or add some knowledge? It not necessarily you should ask me, I should give. Anybody could ask, somebody else could answer also. You are satisfied,
Sir,
Kanishk, or you have some more questions? Yeah.
So they got names. Did planets also have been named by people?
Yes. It's all even when the earth is there, earth doesn't have any name. Kerala name, Andhra, mountains name, rivers, all are named by people, right? When you name it on the earth, it is called a toponym. We don't say what is the name given. For us, name. For earth, river, mountains, valleys, all they are called a topo. Topo means top of the earth. Topography. Topography names are called toponyms. That is part of cartography, map making. I am a person of map making. My job is making maps. My job was, I don't make it now. In space department, my job was to make maps from satellite image. Take a picture of the ground and then make maps. That was my job.
So what is white hole?
It's almost like that black hole. It's a conceptual thing. I told you, no?
Doctor, when
Sir, how many types of stars are there?
Yeah. Kanishk, what did you ask?
Doctor, when two satellites, when inactive one and when active one collide, that time the loss of the active one we can detect by so and so satellite has gone offline. But how do we detect the inactive? How do we detect the name of the inactive satellite?
See, once we send it there, naturally what is to be done? Assume I have got a satellite. I know the life of the battery is only 3 years. I know next 1 month it is going to die. What is supposed to be done? I must use the last battery power to pull it down. From that orbit I must pull it down or push it up so that it will have friction and it will start burning by itself. Okay, so that orbit, when I am shifting from the live orbit means it's keep on taking picture and do all that what I want. That is called a live. The live orbit, what do? I push it into a different orbit. That orbit where I push is called a graveyard orbit. There is a graveyard orbit. I will push the satellite to the graveyard orbit. That means it is going to die. Why should I name after dying? What is this question, Kanishk? After death, do you call it as dead body or you call it as by name?
Doctor, because I have seen conditions of a few satellites.
We don't care. Once it is dead, it is all dust, debris, garbage, dust item, or maybe that is why it is called as debris. Many people call by different names. We don't call it by any specific name. Whether it is satellite X, Y, Z which created, we don't care.
Because I have read some articles about satellites colliding. So some Russian
This
satellites-
itself, I am keep saying, don't believe satellites colliding. There were only 6 or 4 major satellite colliding happens. It is not a big issue. No two satellites of different weight will come in the same place. Even if a satellite comes like this, another satellite is little higher or lower, so it may cross like this. The chance of hitting each other is very less. I don't know why Kanishk is so much interested that satellite has to collide and only read such things. I told you there are only 6 activities which happened out of 20,000 satellites being sent. What you name after colliding which is not functional is not a big issue to be understood. Suppose 2 vehicles has collided. One door has gone somewhere. What do you call the door? There is a beautiful movie if you want to see. Ship of Theseus. Go and search Ship of Theseus. That's a beautiful movie. Somebody had a big ship. Somebody has a big ship and that ship became not working and people took a spare part from part by part and then constructed another ship. What do you call the original ship? The old ship from which spare part is taken or the new ship which is made from spare part? Suppose my eyes are not working. Somebody died. I took his eye and kept it here. I am seeing everything in the world with his eye. Should I have to change my name is more important here? The movie talks about that. Ship of Theseus is a movie. Small movies put together, but the end of the movie, this is what the question what Kanishk is asking now. Should I call when my heart is replaced by somebody's heart? My eyes are replaced by somebody's eyes. Will I change my name because I am using somebody's eyes?
Doctor, did you speak?
No. No space scientists from India have gone to space. We don't even know what is space. These are all my general knowledge. Space department people only have satellite on top. We know about Earth. Astronomy department will stand on the Earth, look at. So today, whatever I spoke is not from space department. These are all general knowledge. Actually, astronomy department people will stand in the Earth and look at the space. Cosmology, astronomy, astrophysics, planetary knowledge, all these are understood by people who are interested in astronomy, astrophysics. So if you want to know more, you must go to planetarium. There is a planetarium in Calicut, Kozhikode. Beautiful planetarium. I went there. Nearest to you,
Doctor, how many types of stars are there?
how many types of?
Stars are there.
Plenty. People keep on identifying new which have got even the stars are too far. What you are seeing as a star, maybe 300 years after that you are seeing today. Maybe 300 million years after that you are seeing today. So far, so much distance. So we have no idea. They are identified, looked at it, recorded by people, and after some time many other people will record from different parts of the world. They collaborate each other and come into conclusion, oh, this is what I have seen, this is what you have seen, this much distance it traveled, this much arc space on the earth. When you travel from here, oh, this is the same intensity. They measure a lot of things with a big telescope. Our best telescope is in Pune. The person who understands star, planetary system, Narlekar. His name is Narlekar. Vasant Narlekar. He is the man of astrophysics in India.
Doctor,
Yeah.
Doctor, there's a movie, no? Interstellar.
There are plenty of beautiful movies if you are interested in space to see.
Sir, I saw Interstellar.
Yeah, Martian is a beautiful movie. Moon Mission is a beautiful movie. There are a lot of beautiful movies.
Doctor, how planets, stars are made of?
What you should do is all of you should see movie like A New Hope is a beautiful movie. The Empire Strikes Back, another movie. The Return of the Jedi, another movie. Phantom Menace, another movie. Revenge of the what is that called? Of the Sith. The Force Awakens, another beautiful movie. Skywalker is a beautiful movie. The Rise of the Skywalker, I think. Apart from what I mentioned. Yeah. There are plenty of beautiful documentaries. Now, if you are interested, look at SpaceX. The live by Netflix also it is there, on YouTube also bits are there. As they landed in the water, how did they took them to the ground, how they opened the door, how each the 4 people travelers came out. You can see all that. Good enough, Kanishk? I didn't get, your sound is not clear. Again, repeat. No.
How did stars are born?
What is that? Not clear better.
How did the stars are born?
Stars are born, no answer. How did the planet came? Probably from the star item would have been separated and then get solidified. How did sun came? How did stars came? Yadamaukham tadandaruptam toya. Some sound would have come and then splashed. Some different chemical material would have been joined together, started burning. So many answers are there.
Sir, maiden how stars are born?
Huh?
Maiden how stars are born?
I didn't get. Slowly you ask him.
May I tell how stars are born?
Yeah, if you have answer, you can. Yes, why not?
Stars are born through very dense clouds of gas in space known as nebulae.
This is what just now I said. Different chemicals form together, they become an agglomeration, it burns. Yeah. Anything more to add for Kanishk?
No, sir.
This one sentence will not make anything clear better than that, right?
No, doctor.
Yeah. So this is some chemical at some point of time joins together, which has got huge potential electric power, positive and negative. Once they join together, it becomes like an electricity spark. That spark becomes a fire. So it is not small, it is huge. Right? 300,000 times probably bigger than Earth. You can imagine. So that burns. For how many millions of years? Trillions and millions of years it will burn. Anybody else? Otherwise, Haridas, do you have something to say?
Just I joined to hear you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm at Kanjangad today actually.
Okay. Oh, you?
Bangalore. Yeah.
Oh.
Came to Kanjangad.
Okay. Who is there in Kanjangad for you?
Actually, I have a house here. My wife is in Kanjangad actually.
Okay. My brother was also here. He is from Nileshwaram.
Oh, okay, good.
He just left. Otherwise, he is in Tirunelveli.
Okay.
I am from Payyanur, so my brother got married in Nileshwaram. We have got a lot of.
Yeah.
I remember coming to Kanjangad Durga High School and all that long back.
Yeah, my uncle was in Durga High School actually, Ambudaya.
Okay.
Actually, I am from Haripad actually, I am from basically.
Yeah, I know. You told me that.
Yeah.
Good.
I was in IOC, Indian Oil.
Oh,
I retired from Indian Oil.
from where?
Pardon?
Cochin or?
No, I retired from, no, I never worked in Kerala. I was in Karnataka, in Maharashtra and
Okay.
Bihar,
Okay.
all places.
When I
Then
was
the location I retired.
I was with the government, I used to visit lot of refineries as part of
Yeah.
ground truth collection.
Yeah.
I've gone to Madurai refinery, Cochin refinery, and all that.
Okay. Refinery never I worked.
So I
I
have.
was in IBP merged with Indian Oil, so I came to IOC actually.
Okay. Good. Glad.
Doctor,
Yeah.
what is the what meaning of uranium yttrium?
What is the?
What meaning of uranium yttrium?
No idea, beta. You just search on the. I also will have to search. Most of the chemical names, most of the physics names are all from Greek and Latin. That is why we keep saying it's a Greek and Latin for me. Basically, I am very bad in chemistry also. After my 12th class, I never studied chemistry. Then I studied chemistry after getting a job. Good enough? Thank you. God bless you. Good Kanishk for the initiative of asking. Kanishk used to ask questions, send a video and then say, what did you say in this? We want children who are curious to learn like this. Well done, Kanishk. Tata, bye bye. Thank you all. God bless you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Hi, Doctor.